Hi, I'm Anna of All Trades, and today I'm going to talk to you about how I rebuilt that old cider press and mechanicalized? Made it mechanical so that we can efficiently process 600 pounds of apples today.
This is good, especially with our uneven ground here. Ugh.
So while I have plans of fully restoring this beautiful old cider press to its former glory, it's apple season on the farm and we have got some work to do. Resourcefulness and recycling are very important to me. Read, I hate going to run errands. And as such, over the years, I've amassed quite a big collection of random parts and pieces that I use for various things. For this project, I rummaged around the farm to find an old lathe motor. I harvested a pulley wheel from a broken scroll saw and just took the keyway out of it, and the pulley from a treadle grinder. It took a little trial and error to get the motor mounted up in the right spot so I could use it on a low enough gear to get a slower run speed and enough torque. But once I had it all mounted up, voila!
That's step one. Now we'll just put all this loveliness down in there with our CSA approved chef's gloves, obviously. Center it up in there. Then here comes the big squoosh. So the basic technique here is that once you get the flow started, you want to squish it all the way down. You don't want to pause in the middle, because if you do, you'll lose some of your momentum. I think I mentioned earlier, maybe I didn't, that this is an antique press and there's a ton of work that I actually want to do on it, including putting the hand crank back on it. However, like I said, we have a ton of apples we need to process, so speed is of the essence today. Also, just trying my best not to get attacked by this flock of hornets that's just hanging around. So then, because conditions are not necessarily the most sanitary, we're going directly in to pasteurize it. And while we're pasteurizing it, I'll add a little touch of cinnamon. So thank you so much for taking the time to tune in and watch this video. This is how we use all the apples that can't be used for other purposes on the farm. We do a lot of canning, we do a lot of apple butter making, a lot of preserving in the freezer, as far as apple pies and those kinds of things. But anyway, I so appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, for supporting my channel. There's more awesome stuff headed your way next week.